The 2022 Annual Summit for Entrepreneurs across the Taiwan Strait was held on Tuesday in Xiamen, a coastal city in East China's Fujian province. Themed Building a New Mode of Industrial Cooperation, Creating a New Green Digital Economy, the conference attracted more than 300 business people from both sides of the strait to attend in person and over 1,500 to attend online. The participants focused on promoting the high-end, intelligent, and green development of the manufacturing industry and discussed new strategies and paths to expand and deepen cross-strait industrial cooperation.
未来两岸之间的合作机会一定是越来越宽广，而且台商也愿意说扩大内需市场需求，在国际方面，我们也愿意说跟祖国大陆各个的产业来配合，共谋世界的经济的发展。
数字化的手段，我们可以建立一个很好的供应链金融的体系。这样的话，我们可以让更多的企业能够得到成本更低的融资，而且能够让整个我们的这个物流、信息流、资金流能够运行得更加顺畅。
The Summit for Entrepreneurs from both sides of the Taiwan Strait, established in 2013, is one of the most important platforms for cross-strait people-to-people exchanges and cooperation. It has actively promoted cross-strait economic and trade exchanges as well as industrial integration and development.